Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this like super cheap $5 costume. Let's get into it. Show you how to do probably one of the cheapest costumes you can do. Go to the dollar store, get some fake flowers, get some butterfly stickers. I got 3D ones, but you can get whatever you'd like. We're going to put the butterfly stickers on our face and become a flower for Halloween. So the first step, I definitely am going to put a butterfly right here, one here, and possibly one over here, but we'll see. I know right here and here we're definitely going to do. So I'm going to use some eyelash glue, and I'm going to just put a little bit here. That way the sticker is enforced a little bit better. So we got the sticker. I'm going to put it right above there. And then, lovely. And if I have to put more eyelash glue, that's completely fine. If I need to tap down the ends with eyelash glue, I'm going to do that right now. So I tap down the ends with some eyelash glue, and we're going to put another one right around here. I think this one will look perfect on my cheek. I love it. And we're definitely going to put one right here too, and it's going to be this top one right here. We're just going to put some eyelash glue. Using this one. I love it. It's so sweet. I'm definitely going to tie down the ends with some more eyelash glue. So I just slid this off just like that. And what we're going to do is I'm going to put this in my hair, just some of it. That way I look like a flower. So I'm going to put this flower like right on my nose. So I'm going to put some eyelash glue, let it tack up, and then we're going to attach this. Now I'm going to put this piece like right here. So we'll use our eyelash glue and tack it up and then put that on. Super cute. And this last piece, I think we'll put it like right here. I think that'll be super cute. Again, using eyelash glue, and we're going to tack it up. Perfect. So to finish off this look, I'm just going to put on some purple mascara and a little bit of a lip. I don't know what we're going to do for the lip yet, but we'll see. So the mascara is on, and for the lip, I'm really seeing just something really soft and simple. So we're going to use Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk for the lip liner. And this little mini Tarte lip plumping pen in the shade Primrose. Super lovely. And we're going to go over with our Artist Couture Sugar Baby. I like it just because of the sparkles. Last but not least, we're going to go in with some highlighter and just highlight any point that needs to be highlighted. And there it is. I over highlighted the eyes just because it just really felt right. I'm wearing kind of like a green dress, and this green dress has flowers on it, so I'm like kind of the stem of a flower, and I have butterflies on me. And I think this is such a simple, very cheap costume for Halloween or cosplay or anything that you need a costume for. This literally cost me like $3 and some makeup. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!